Your doors do more than open and close. They protect your home, shape first impressions, and play a key role in comfort and energy efficiency. When you delay replacing an aging or damaged door, you may be putting your safety, savings, and curb appeal at risk. That's why timely door replacement matters in door installation. High Springs homeowners can trust. Protecting what matters most. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense. Over time, doors can warp, crack, or weaken due to Florida's heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Even small gaps or structural weaknesses can make it easier for intruders to gain access. Worn locks and frames only add to the risk. Timely door replacement ensures your home stays secure. Modern doors are built with stronger materials, reinforced cores, and advanced locking systems. When you invest in professional door installation High Springs residents rely on, you gain peace of mind knowing your family and belongings are better protected. Improving energy efficiency. High Springs weather can be unpredictable. Hot summers and occasional cold snaps mean your HVAC system works hard year-round. If your door has drafts, poor insulation, or worn weather stripping, you may be losing valuable conditioned air. Older doors often lack proper insulation, allowing outside air to seep in and indoor air to escape. This forces your heating and cooling systems to run longer, increasing energy bills. Replacing your door at the right time can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Newer models are designed with insulated cores, tight seals, and energy-efficient glass options. With expert door installation, High Springs homeowners can reduce drafts, stabilize indoor temperatures, and potentially lower monthly utility costs. Preventing costly structural damage. A damaged or outdated door can lead to more than discomfort. Moisture intrusion is a common problem in Florida homes. When rainwater seeps through cracks or gaps, it can damage flooring, door frames, and surrounding walls. Over time, this moisture can cause rot, mold growth, and structural issues that are far more expensive to repair than replacing the door itself. Acting early prevents small problems from becoming major repairs. By scheduling timely door installation, High Springs property owners can protect their investment and avoid unnecessary expenses down the road. Enhancing curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first features visitors notice. A faded, dented, or outdated door can make an otherwise beautiful home look neglected. On the other hand, a new, stylish door instantly upgrades your property's appearance. Whether you prefer classic wood, durable fiberglass, or sleek modern steel designs, replacing your door can dramatically improve curb appeal. If you're planning to sell your home, this simple upgrade can also increase buyer interest and perceived value. Professional door installation. High Springs homeowners choose ensures your new door fits perfectly and complements your home's architecture. Increasing functionality and convenience. Have you noticed your door sticking, squeaking, or failing to latch properly? These may seem like minor annoyances, but they often signal deeper issues such as frame misalignment or structural wear. A properly installed new door opens and closes smoothly, seals tightly, and operates effortlessly. Modern doors also offer updated features like smart locks, improved sound insulation, and enhanced durability. Timely door replacement means you won't have to struggle with daily frustrations. Instead, you enjoy reliable performance and modern convenience. Boosting property value. Home improvements that combine security, energy efficiency, and visual appeal are always wise investments. Door replacement checks all three boxes. Buyers appreciate homes that are well maintained and updated, and a new entry door sends a clear message that the property has been cared for. When completed by experienced professionals in door installation High Springs, the upgrade adds both immediate and long-term value to your home. Don't wait for bigger problems. Many homeowners delay replacing a door until it completely fails. Unfortunately, by that time, additional damage may have already occurred. Acting early protects your home, improves comfort, and saves money. If your door shows signs of wear, drafts, visible damage, or security concerns, it may be time to consider an upgrade. With expert door installation high-spring services, you can ensure a smooth process and lasting results. Timely door replacement isn't just about appearance. It's about safety, efficiency, and protecting your home for years to come.